Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior. And inside you have a black interior. You can also see that wood grain accent trim. And some nice silver accents as well. Sunroof, both front and rear. Blind spot assist. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. You can see our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. And power opening and closing trunk. A storage space back here, and of course you can always fold down those rear seats if you need a little extra. Push button to close the trunk there. Now let's take a look at the rear. So again, you can see that wood grain trim as well as silver accent throughout. Also want to point out the Burmester sound system here. This is a premium upgrade. You'll find those speakers throughout the vehicle as well. Rear seats. Another look at the sunroof there. And a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, go ahead and take a look at the driver's side next. So we've got memory seats for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. See the Burmester speakers again. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage in this vehicle currently at 61,277. And the push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz display here. Let's see, navigation, radio, and backup camera. Now below that we have our climate control, cup holders, command module here for making adjustments on the display. Center console storage. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now if you'd like to get any more information or see some photos of this GLC 300 or any of the other vehicles on the lot and showroom floor, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.